Kiuria kiane ngwataniro iriko gatagati ga Kenya Kwanza na Azimio iri na bunge gebugene no githiete na mbere kwiyumiria mena yeri ikiro makini na kuuga oneo mafati kuheo giturwa kiari gebugene. Kiuria gikiriu kironeka kuoya mwerekero thutha wa atongoria Kenya Kwanza kuuga gutire mundu wathurirwo kuhitukira ngwataniro ya Azimio na ugo wingi wa bunge ufatie guthimwo na ciama na ugo kiama kia UDA nikio kiri na bunge ringi.
The majority is about numbers, and I think we have overemphasized that. And the numbers are quite clear, who has the numbers and who doesn't have the numbers. Those who are in the minority know themselves and just posturing that they're in the majority.
Kiama kiria kina andu aria aige gitagwo kiama kia UDA, United Democratic Alliance. Kiama gia Kenya Kwanza gutire mundu gia sponsire ke iyo yari coalition. In the same analogy, kiama gia Azimio gitie na candidate onomwe ni ciama icio ingi cietagwo ODM na iregi ciothe na Jubilee acio nio ma sponsor.
Mumbunge wa Kikuyu Kimani Ichung'wa uria wendekithitio ni Kenya Kwanza kuoya giturwa kia mutongoria wa ringi bunge-ini augite atongoria Azimio magwire kigeranio okumo kiambiriria na wiguano uria mekiranire niguo gwa mohire.
If you read the constitution, it clearly stipulates and defines who is a majority party, and it says it is a party or the coalition of parties. So ask Azimio, are they a coalition of political parties or are they a political party? Do they have the highest number of seats? Do they even have a member of parliament under Azimio? Remember, they were unable to field candidates under Azimio because they couldn't even agree on zoning. Therefore, it's neither here nor there.
Mieri ino ni kireto rito ni mumbunge wa Garissa Aden Duale uria ningi uritie Speaker Moses Wetangula agetekera gutwithania ndugamano ino na njira ya ugi.
If you look at the individual parties, UDA has the highest number of seats at 140, followed by ODM, with over 20 years of existence, has only 83 MPs. Therefore, if you look at individual parties, you know who the majority is.
Ona kuri uguo atongoria Azimio matongoretio ni mumbunge wa Guthukio John Mbadi maugite gutire wara megwitikira makugerio kuona ni moe Azimio ni eri na bunge ingi.
Azimio has 172 members. Kenya Kwanza has 165 members, which is the majority coalition. It is Azimio. So to me, there is no debate about this matter.
Ithio rigi kiriu gitigetwo moko-ini ma Speaker Moses Wetangula uri gukorwo kiheana mwerekera na njayanea aingi bunge-ini.